Right, well, thank you very much for joining us again today, problem solving tension through the neck. Now, in my introduction that I did a couple of days ago, 2 or 3 days ago, I talked about changing the voice in our head from curling forward, coming up high, to thinking about lengthening. So we're going to explore the lengthening aspect of the spine now into our abdominal curl. So first thing is that I'd like to have Fleur lift both her legs up and take her hands behind her thighs. And I want her to just gently ease her legs towards her ribs. And as she does that, she's going to think about lengthening her back. So she's going to find that sort of roll of her lumbar spine onto the mat. Her tush is going to come up slightly, and she's going to find that stretch through the lower back. So that feels lovely, doesn't it? We want to have that same lovely feeling when we lift the head, because essentially that's what we're doing when we're coming into an abdominal curl. We're trying to lengthen the ribs away from the pelvis. Okay, so keep holding on there. So what I'd like you to do, Fleur, is I want you to think about pulling your legs in, but now let your head come up, looking in the space between your knees, and find that length through the back of your body, and then slowly go back down again. And then you can just release out. No, keep holding on. That's all right. Don't worry about that. Gently ease in and lift your head at the same time, and just feel your whole back lengthening. So it's like a precursor to rolling like a ball. How does that feel?
Good, nice.
Yeah. That's a nice feeling, hey? So I want you to think about those ribs almost stretching to the wall behind you as you're busy doing that. And now you can feel how, as you shorten the front of the body, you can feel that length. Beautiful. And then just popping your feet down. Good. Let's interlace the hands behind the back of the head one more time, elbows up. And now, although we're thinking about the ribs coming down, Fleur, I want you to almost think like a conveyor belt. So really see how much length can you create through the back body as you come up. So it's not about how high you come up, it's about how much space you can create. So you're going to slowly let those ribs come down, opening the back body. Nice. And then slowly come back down. Beautiful, very nice. Okay, so can you see how you can use that concept of lengthening to be able to take the pressure off your neck? So if you're enjoying the series, please do hit the subscribe button below so that you never miss another episode. And if you feel inspired and you want to know more, please check out in the links below the Teach Pilates with Confidence Academy. There are so many different options there for you to learn more, to explore more, and to keep loving what you're doing and helping the people that come and see you for Pilates classes.